Hello everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna show you some products I got for free from Nordstrom. Thank you Nordstrom. Again, this video is sponsored by Nordstrom. I'm gonna show you today a soft smoky eye look using brand new products for me, and I hope you're gonna like this too, because I absolutely in love with Charlotte Tilbury new mascara with her serum. And we are right now coming to a dry season in Florida. It's gonna be a little bit more cooler weather, and I really like this vitamin enriched moisturizer from Bobbi Brown. It's moisturizer and primer together, and it has lots of vitamins. Again, it's a soft look I create for you. Please follow me on Instagram or Facebook, Katya Beauty Style. And again, this is video sponsored by Nordstrom. Woohoo! Okay, first product, which one I'm gonna use, it's a newest serum from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a good, supposed to be good hydrating, and also it's glowing serum. But let's read what it says in the box. Okay, it's gonna help you with firming and tightening, refine, lift, wrinkle reduction, and good hydration. I actually really like this bottle, and it's like a pearl color. Okay, let's see. Did it's greasy? Did it's oily? Did it's what it does? It smells really good. Smells like aromatherapy. And I like to use serum melt on my skin, put a little bit on my hand. Okay, give me nice beautiful glow. I don't feel it's greasy or oily. It feels very kind of, I'll say, very fresh on my skin. It's the first product, and I got this for free. Thank you Charlotte Tilbury and Nordstrom. Okay, second product, which one I'm gonna use a moisturizer from Bobbi Brown, and it's a vitamin enriched base. It's a moisturizer for all type of skin. It's a moisturizer and primer together, and you can use this moisturizer morning and night. Remember, serum you always want to use first, because it's come to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer. Moisturizer work on the top part of your skin, and serum come to your skin much more deeper. Okay, let's try this. It's a brand new moisturizer from Bobbi Brown. Again, I got this for free. Hallelujah. Okay, I don't know how rich, did it's heavy, did it's light, but let me feel this first. Ooh, oh my god, oh, it's so good. Okay, I feel if your skin normal to dry, this will be a great moisturizer. Well, it's giving me very good hydration. This is definitely will be perfect moisturizer for winter for me. Again, it's a moisturizer, and primer together, and it's have a lot of vitamins here. It's have a vitamin B, C, E, and again, moisturizer and primer together. Now I'm gonna use my eye cream from DIOR. This is moisturizer, is DIOR Prestige, and again, I will use this under my eye, and I do like use also a little bit moisturizer eye cream on my entire eyelid. This moisturizer does everything: lifting, firming, wrinkle reduction, for dark circles, for puffiness. Texture wise, very light, but give me nice hydration. Okay, my skin care is done. Now we're gonna use foundation. Today I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown foundation, and it's named Skin Long Wearing Weightless Foundation with SPF 15, and it's a full coverage foundation. Okay, and of course Bobbi Brown foundation brush. It's my favorite foundation brush. Few puffs here, 1, 2, 3 on the entire face. Yeah, definitely need full coverage foundation because I'm gonna do a smoky eye, but very kind of soft smoky eye, and I really want my skin to look very even. Okay, it says this foundation full coverage, oil free. To me it's medium coverage foundation. Also I notice it's really hard for me to actually spread this foundation on my skin. I don't know, because it's my skin, or I will suggest, if you like this foundation, right away use. Don't wait, don't let sit, work with your brush right away. Now I'm still gonna use foundation stick from LANCôME Teint Idole. You have 21 SPF, and color I'm gonna use 450, and I will use this foundation stick is my my bronze to a little bit contour my face. And now I'm just gonna buff this to my skin. Bronze make a big difference. Bring my face to life. Yeah, can you tell how beautiful this is? Beautiful foundation, but again I use it as a foundation stick and I really like it. It's just so beautiful, goes on my skin. I'm gonna use small brush, concealer brush from Bobbi Brown, and I'm gonna little bit contour in my nose. After bronze and foundation, I'm gonna use little bit concealer, and it will be Tom Ford Crease Proof concealer, and it's number 10 Alabaster. Concealer, it's very light texture, but I like how bright my eye area, and I love how it sits on my skin. Applying a little bit right here concealer to minimize my expression lines. To set my makeup, I'm gonna use Chanel powder, and it's a La Beige Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. This powder will not give me a lot of coverage, it just will set my makeup, and I use in color 10. And it's a Bobbi Brown powder brush. I love how it smells this. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna use my favorite Saint Laurent 3D All Over Glow powder, and I'm gonna use on my cheek. Will give me like a glow and slightly like a rosy glow. And then I will put on top my blush. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god, I love it. Again, it's a Saint Laurent 3D Glow All Over powder. I put a little bit more to highlight my cheek, but I also like to apply on entire my face, very little. For the blush, today I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury, and it's Love Glow, sorry. It's a very pretty, beautiful blush. Let's smile. Very soft, very settled. I'm telling you girls, most important, I think, when your skin looks beautiful, glow, right coverage on foundation, you put, that's it, you're 20 years younger. Next step, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use TRISH McEvoy eyebrow pencil, and it's a natural brunette color. Also, I'm gonna use 24-hour wearing eyeshadow primer from LANCôME. eyebrow look beautiful, very natural. And next, eyebrows done. I have already primer on my eyelid, and today we're gonna use Chanel eyeshadow palette, and it's a color medium. We have 5 colors. One it's shimmer and another it's matte, and I like this one eyeshadow all over your eyelid, and it's like big amount. This is why I like. Again, we're not gonna do too intense. It's gonna be soft smoky eye. Please let me know which one is your favorite eye look, which one I create. Again, we're gonna start with light color first, and it's gonna be all over my eyelid, and I'm gonna use this big brush from Smashbox. Let's start apply close to eyebrows first. It's a matte color. Again, I put on entire my eyelid. Now I'm gonna use second color, and it's like a little bit brown taupey. It's hard to describe for me this color, but will be my second color. And I'm gonna use this big blending brush from Chanel. Again, don't be scared. This is gonna be very soft smoky eye. But I love this palette a lot. Trying to make my eye a little bit lit. We start from here, we apply here, and then we go up. And you see how it's very soft, right? This is beautiful. Can be evening or every day. I would say it's more every day. Yeah, you do see it's darker color black, but it's like more soft black, and I will use, and you will see it's gonna be very soft looking. Now we're gonna use this black color, and again it's a soft black color. I'm gonna use a little bit smaller brush, flat brush. Now I'm gonna use a BEIGES blending brush again, and I'm gonna just little bit soft this black. Okay, so far we have only 3 color, right? I want to use this beautiful like a shimmer color. I'm gonna go and corner my eyes and close to my eyebrows for more eye lift, and will give me like very sexy pretty eye look. I'm gonna use a small brush, and again I'm gonna use a shimmer color. Wow, it's so pretty. I will say this will be very elegant and classy eye look. Again, shimmer, I'm gonna put little bit on corner. Also, now I'm gonna use this color, and I'm gonna put on the bottom of my lashes. Very soft. Now I'm gonna use another small tiny brush, and I'm gonna use this black color on top of my brown under my eyes very softly. Little bit blend, and let's do next eye. My eyes, it's done. It's soft but it's smoky. And next, of course, I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner from Tom Ford. And today we're gonna try Charlotte Tilbury brand new mascara. Thank you so much again, Nordstrom and Charlotte Tilbury. I got this for free. Let's try. Okay, now I'm gonna use brand new mascara from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm not gonna even use right now primer. I wanna try and see how I like these products without the primer, because it's promised us 24 eyelash lift, 83% volume and lift and curl. Look at this picture. And look at my eyelashes. Let's try and see how I like it. I always say no one woman not pretty, we need just a little makeup. I like this brush. I'm very fan of like a plastic, like rubber band brushes, and one side it's flat and another side it have little brush. Again, let's start with flat and we'll go up. Okay, wow, I love this mascara. It does. It's really good. Oh my god, I love how curl my eyelashes. Girl, oh my god, I love this mascara. I'm very picky with mascara, but I love this mascara. Again, I want you to see my lashes on one side where I do have mascara, and where I don't have mascara. It's not like I have a good lashes. No, this is just a good mascara. And you know what? I'm telling you, some blogger, YouTubers hate it and some say they like it. I really like this push-up lash peel of talk mascara. Look at these beautiful packages. Gorgeous, right? But doesn't matter what anyone say, listen me, it's a beautiful mascara. This is really impressed me. To finish this look, I'm gonna use Clinique lip liner, and it's a 07 intense blush and YSL lip color, and its name Ecstasy Mirror Beige 101. This is very good hydration lip color. I will say it's a lipstick and lip gloss together, but it stays really good. And because I have a smoky eye, a little bit more darker, but again it's a softer version of smoky eye. It's very look classy and elegant, and it's not age me. I still feel like I'm really young. Again, I'm gonna use this tulip color on my lips for softer look. Absolutely look amazing, these two products on my lips. Again, this is Clinique and Armani color 101 beige. My eyes look so pretty, I feel like very classy and looking and elegant. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Katya Beauty Style, and please let me know what products, what look you want me to create for you. Okay, love you all, bye.